Hey everyone, today we're talking about some simple tips on how to clean your house fast. Hi lovelies! Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Trisha. I make cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle videos. If you're into these kinds of stuff, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the red button down below. You can also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook accounts. Their links are in the description box below. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to keep you notified every time I post a new video. Today, I'm going to share efficient ways to clean your home and prevent you from spending all day cleaning it. It's already 2021, the new year has come, and I know that most of you guys are preparing your homes to welcome the new year. And a part of it is to clean every part of your home, especially after all the holiday celebrations. Now, let's not get this video any longer and let's move on to the first tip. The first tip that I have for you is to have a cleaning system or a structure. Having a structure or procedure to follow will help you a lot in cleaning because this will make sure that you won't miss any spot or area to clean in your home. An example of this is that you can start in one room, cleaning the entire room from top to bottom, left to right. Like as for me, I always start by cleaning our bedroom by wiping the surfaces, or if I'm doing a more in-depth cleaning, then I start from our bedroom ceiling by removing the cobwebs, dusting off the light bulbs, and then I proceed on to wiping the surfaces, changing the bed covers, down to vacuuming the floor. This very simple method of cleaning from top to bottom will make cleaning a lot faster and more efficient. Because as we all know, it is more efficient to dust off the dirt from the top first and collect it on the floor and then vacuuming it afterwards, rather than starting by vacuuming the floor and then dusting off all the surfaces afterwards. It is inefficient as we're going to sweep the floor again after. Another system or procedure that you could follow is by creating a direction on which rooms you're going to clean. For example, the first room that I cleaned is our bedroom, and just right outside our bedroom is our living area, and that is what I tend next. After the living area, the third room that I clean is our kitchen, which is right next to the living area, and the last room that I clean is our bathroom because I take only one direction from our bedroom to our living area to our kitchen and then to our bathroom to not skip any rooms to clean. The second tip that I have for you is to invest in proper cleaning tools and products. I'm a firm believer that if you do things the right way, your life will be so much easier and you won't get into any trouble. And I also apply this belief in cleaning. Before I buy cleaning products, I make sure that I research which cleaning product is best for a specific surface. Like for example, I use a different product for stainless steel surfaces like our stove. I always make sure that I won't damage the finish because it is crucial to take care of every item in your home for them to last longer. Aside from the cleaning products, having the right cleaning tools is also essential. If you want to know more or the specifics on the cleaning essentials or must-haves that you should have in your home, you could watch the video that I made about it. I discussed every product and tools in cleaning, making your life easier. I'll link it in the description box below. If you have the right cleaning tools and products, it'll make your cleaning a lot less complicated and maybe a little more enjoyable to do. And it is because the cleaning tools that you have or the products that you have does its job well. Therefore, you don't have to clean the area repeatedly or waste a lot of time in cleaning. The third one is to be regular. If you clean or even just wipe your surfaces regularly, then you won't have to set aside a whole day for cleaning the entire house. This will therefore save you lots of time and make your house always ready for visitors. Be proactive. Prevent your home by accumulating too much dirt by regularly wiping it. I know this may sound like a big task to do because then you'd have to wipe your surfaces every day, but it really isn't. Let's say after washing your face or brushing your teeth, you could wipe your bathroom counter surface to prevent molds from forming. It'll help your bathroom stay clean and prevent you from deep cleaning any molds formed on it. The fourth tip that I have for you is to clear the counter.
Somebody who loves me too.
Having lots of clutter inside your home is a culprit on making your home look messy. I already made a video about this. It's called The Mistakes That Make Your House Look Messy Even After Cleaning It. If you're interested, you could watch the video. Again, I'll link it down below. Keep the used scissors in your drawer after using it. Wash the unwashed dishes on your kitchen sink immediately. Put all the toys scattered on the floor back in the toy box. By making it a habit to clear the clutter regularly, your home will always look presentable and clean. And the last tip is to use a feather duster. A feather duster is as vital as having a broom or vacuum in your home. A broom or vacuum will keep your floor dust-free, while a feather duster will keep the higher surfaces dust-free as well. If you have a feather duster, this will save you lots of time instead of spraying and wiping your surfaces. I just recently purchased a feather duster and I really didn't even think of buying it from the very beginning because I thought I could live without it. But just recently I realized that it's just as important as having a broom or a vacuum because this definitely makes my life easier, keeping your surfaces dust-free. The only time now that I'm using a spray and a microfiber cloth in cleaning your surfaces is just about once a week or if there's like a dirt stock on our surfaces. But just for keeping the surfaces dust-free, I simply use our feather duster in wiping it. So there you have it, guys. Those are just some of the simplest and quickest ways to clean your house. I hope you'll all find these tips helpful in your cleaning. Please watch the videos that I mentioned earlier. Their links are in the description box below. Let me know how your holiday celebrations went by. If you wanted to know about my holiday celebrations, you could follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook account. I always post updates about my life there. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!